Kung may sasabihin ka sa inner child
Yeah.
mo, the young Sal.
Sabihin ko sa kanya na you're gonna be okay. Na lahat ng pangarap mo, eventually makukuha mo yan. Like all of the attention that you wanted, you'll get there. All of the love that you didn't get from your parents, you'll get it from other people and you'll get it from yourself. Parang kapit lang mangarap ka lang. Dream as big as you want. Dream big kasi parang yun lang rin naman yung ginawa ko nung bata ako. Nangarap lang din ako and I didn't know that I'll be here. I didn't know that I'll be here with you. Na parang ang laking bagay nun na
Worth listening pala yung story ko.
Yeah, and that's definitely what little Salome used to believe about herself. So I just wanna like come from the future and tell her, you know what, mangarap ka lang. Be a kid. Do whatever you want. Kasi parang if it's for you, it's gonna come for you. Yun nga yung sinasabi nila eh, na hindi papasok ang blessings, hindi papasok ang mga biyaya, hindi magkakatotoo yung mga pangarap mo if you don't make way in your life for them to come in.